Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to showcase some amazing kitchen gadgets that will save you both time and money this month. Whether you're cooking for your family or meal prepping for the week, these tools are designed to make your kitchen tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Stay tuned to discover smart, budget-friendly gadgets that will transform the way you cook and organize your kitchen. Let's get started. Portable Electric Nonstick Hot Pot. This is the Portable Electric Nonstick Hot Pot. This little powerhouse is perfect for dorms, small apartments, or anyone who travels often. It features a ceramic glazed nonstick frying pan, making it ideal for everything from ramen and fried rice to a quick steak. The key benefit is its dual power control, letting you switch between gentle warming and rapid boiling. It solves the problem of needing multiple appliances for simple meals, giving you a compact, all-in-one cooker that makes cooking quick and cleanup simple too. Glass Pickle Jar with Strainer. This is the Glass Pickle Jar with Strainer. If you love olives, pickles, or jalapenos, you know the struggle of trying to get them out without soaking your fingers in brine. This clever container solves that instantly. It features an hourglass design with an inner strainer that flips up when you turn it over, separating the food from the liquid. The airtight lid keeps everything fresh and leak-proof. This jar makes serving quick and mess-free, ensuring you get the perfect snack every time without any fuss. 4-Slice Digital Smart Toaster. This is the 4-Slice Digital Smart Toaster. Say goodbye to burnt toast forever. This smart toaster features a sleek touchscreen and digital display that gives you precise control over your toasting shade. What's really cool is the memory function, which remembers your favorite settings for different types of bread, like bagels or waffles. The benefit is consistent, perfect results every time you use it. This appliance is a modern upgrade that simplifies breakfast and makes sure your bread is always toasted just the way you like it. Portable Electric Non-Stick Crepe Maker. This is the Portable Electric Non-Stick Crepe Maker. Now you can make thin, perfect crepes, pancakes, or tortillas without any special skills. The main feature is the large, non-stick crepe pan that heats evenly and instantly. It even comes with a dipping plate for the batter and has one automatic temperature control, so you don't have to worry about settings. The ease of use is the main benefit. You simply dip the surface in batter and lift to create a flawless, thin crepe. It turns a complicated treat into a simple, fun activity. Automatic Rolling Fridge Egg Dispenser. This is the Automatic Rolling Fridge Egg Dispenser. This brilliant organizer turns storing eggs into a smooth, fun process. This clear, stackable container holds a dozen eggs, and the moment you take an egg from the bottom, the others gently roll forward to replace it. It saves tons of space in your fridge or pantry, and even includes a timer to track freshness. This dispenser solves the twin problems of messy egg cartons and forgetting which eggs are the oldest, keeping your fridge tidy and your eggs fresh. Cordless Automatic Pot Stirrer. This is the Cordless Automatic Pot Stirrer. Stop standing over the stove stirring sauces, soups, and oatmeal. This powerful, self-adjusting stirrer has variable speeds and is completely cordless, meaning you just drop it in your pot and let it do the work for you. It keeps food from sticking and burning at the bottom. The huge benefit is giving you back your time and saving your arm from constant stirring. It's the perfect kitchen gadget for making thick recipes like risotto or gravy totally hands-off. Under Cabinet Stemware Glass Rack. This is the Under Cabinet Stemware Glass Rack. If you have limited cabinet space, this simple rack is a fantastic solution for storing wine glasses. It easily mounts under a cabinet or counter, instantly creating a secure spot to hang your delicate stemware. The main benefit is saving precious shelf space while keeping your glasses handy and dust-free. This simple organization tool solves the problem of cluttered cabinets and adds a sleek, professional look to your bar or kitchen area. Manual Thickness Adjustable Meat Slicer. This is the Manual Thickness Adjustable Meat Slicer. For people who love making homemade jerky, hot pot, or thin sandwich meat, this manual slicer is a game changer. It's made from durable stainless steel and allows you to precisely adjust the thickness of your slices, from paper thin to half an inch. The benefit is saving money and time compared to buying pre-sliced meat. It solves the problem of trying to get thin, uniform cuts using just a regular knife. Soap Dispensing Palm Brush. This is the Soap Dispensing Palm Brush. This simple brush makes scrubbing pots and dishes much easier and more efficient. The best feature is the button-activated soap dispenser right in the handle. Just fill it with dish soap and push the button to release soap on demand. The durable nylon bristles are tough on stuck-on food. This palm-sized design makes it comfortable to hold and use, solving the problem of handling slippery soap bottles while trying to scrub. Starfrit Rotato Express Electric Peeler. This is the Starfrit Rotato Express Electric Peeler. Peeling vegetables can be a tedious chore, but this electric gadget makes it safe, fast, and effortless. You simply place a potato or apple on the holder, press the button, and it peels the skin off in seconds. It even comes with 2 spare blades. The major benefit is saving a huge amount of time and effort during food prep. It solves the problem of hand strain and uneven peeling, making it great for anyone who cooks large meals or has difficulty using a manual peeler. Hanging Under Sink Kitchen Bin. This is the Hanging Under Sink Kitchen Bin. This clever, compact trash can is designed specifically for tight spaces. It features a hook that lets you easily hang it over a cabinet door or right under your sink, saving floor space. The compost bin size makes it perfect for quickly collecting vegetable scraps while you prep food. Its portability and size are the main benefits, allowing you to quickly dispose of waste right where you're working, solving the problem of a large, bulky trash can blocking your path. No Drip Glass Honey Dispenser. This is the No Drip Glass Honey Dispenser. If you've ever dealt with a sticky, messy honey jar, you know why you need this. This beautiful honeycomb design container has a base stand and a lever-activated bottom pourer. The main feature is the precision pour, which cuts off the stream of honey instantly, ensuring zero drips or mess. It keeps your counters clean and makes adding honey to tea, toast, or yogurt completely effortless. This is a must-have for anyone who wants a clean, elegant way to serve honey. Double-sided titanium cutting board. This is the double-sided titanium cutting board. This isn't your average cutting board. It's made with pure, food-grade titanium on one side and high-quality plastic on the other. Titanium is naturally resistant to bacteria and won't absorb odors like wood or standard plastic. The large size is great for all types of food prep, and it's completely dishwasher safe. The benefit is a highly sanitary and durable surface that prevents cross-contamination, solving the need for a truly hygienic food prep station. Automatic Plant-Based Nut Milk Maker. This is the Automatic Plant-Based Nut Milk Maker. For the healthiest, freshest plant milk possible, this machine does all the work. It can make almond, oat, soy, or coconut milk from scratch in minutes. The key feature is the delay start option, letting you set it up the night before. This eliminates the need for messy straining or blending. The benefit is completely controlling your ingredients, avoiding additives, and enjoying truly fresh, homemade plant milk easily. OXO Good Grips Corn Peeler. This is the OXO Good Grips Corn Peeler. Shucking corn can be tough, but this compact tool makes removing kernels from the cob safe and simple. It features sharp, stainless steel blades that easily glide down the cob to slice off the kernels. The comfortable non-slip handle is a signature Good Grips feature. The benefit is getting perfect kernels quickly and easily for salads or freezing, solving the problem of messy, uneven removal with a knife. Round Ice Cube Trays with Bin. This is the Round Ice Cube Trays with Bin. Tired of boring square ice? This set creates those trendy mini round ice spheres that look great in any drink. The kit includes the silicone trays, a lid, and a large ice storage bin with a scoop. The lid prevents freezer smells from ruining the ice. The benefit is having a large, stylish supply of perfect round ice ready to go, solving the problem of using up freezer space with messy, unprotected trays. Easy Twist Jar and Bottle Opener. This is the Easy Twist Jar and Bottle Opener. If you struggle with tight jar lids or have weak hands, this opener is an absolute lifesaver. This clever, unique gadget provides fantastic leverage to open almost any size jar or bottle cap with minimal effort. It features an ergonomic design that makes it easy to grip and twist. The benefit is regained independence in the kitchen, making it super helpful for seniors or anyone with arthritis. It instantly solves the frustration of impossible-to-open containers. 360 Rotating Faucet Sprayer Aerator. This is the 360 Rotating Faucet Sprayer Aerator. Upgrade your kitchen sink without calling a plumber. This easy-to-install attachment replaces your standard faucet end and offers 3 spray functions and a full 360-degree rotation. This incredible flexibility makes rinsing the entire sink basin, large pots, and oddly shaped items so much easier. The benefit is far more convenient and effective washing and rinsing, solving the issue of a stiff faucet that can't reach all the corners of your sink. Heavy-duty clear adhesive wall hooks. This is the heavy-duty clear adhesive wall hooks. These simple hooks are surprisingly powerful and perfect for organizing utensils, towels, or coats in your kitchen. They are waterproof, transparent, and designed to hold a serious amount of weight without needing drilling. They stick firmly to tiles, glass, or metal. The benefit is instant, damage-free vertical storage, solving the problem of cluttered drawers and counters by putting your most used tools within easy reach. Manual Hand Slap Food Chopper. This is the Manual Hand Slap Food Chopper. Need finely diced onions, garlic, or nuts without dragging out the electric machine? This manual chopper is lightning fast. You simply slap the plunger repeatedly and the internal blades chop food finely in seconds. It's also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The benefit is quick, controlled chopping for small jobs, solving the problem of tedious knife work or the big cleanup required after using a large food processor. Large Wheel Pizza Slicer. This is the Large Wheel Pizza Slicer. A good pizza cutter should make one clean pass, and this one does the trick. It features an extra super sharp stainless steel blade and a large, comfortable handle that gives you excellent leverage. Crucially, it comes with a safety blade cover to protect your fingers and keep the blade sharp in the drawer. The benefit is cleanly sliced pizza with minimal effort, solving the problem of ragged, messy cuts through toppings and crust. 2-in-1 Soap Dispenser Sponge Holder. This is the 2-in-1 Soap Dispenser Sponge Holder. Say goodbye to messy soap bottles and wet sponges lying around your sink. This compact unit combines a soap pump with a handy caddy that holds your sponge or scrubber right where you need it. You press your sponge down to dispense the perfect amount of soap. The benefit is a cleaner, more organized sink area that uses less soap and keeps your cleaning tools tidy. It's a simple, essential upgrade for any countertop.